We're here with Mayor Pro Tem Sue Seneca. Thanks for coming today.
You're welcome, and thanks for having me.
And had a couple quick questions for you. The first is, you've been involved in the community for many years now, and very much so as a volunteer. Can you tell us a little bit about all the activities that you're involved with?
Oh, I would love to. I'll tell you, volunteerism has been the highlight of my residence here in Westmont. Moved in 1992, hit the pavement running with joining the Promote Westmont Commission, which quickly became the 75th Anniversary Board. Right. And as you know, we did a year's celebration, celebrating Westmont's 75 years. I also have the opportunity to deliver Meals on Wheels to seniors right here in Westmont and at Mays Lake, which is very fulfilling. In addition to that, I've worked and volunteered for the People's Resource Center, again, right here in Westmont. So it's been really good. Aside from that, and a little closer to home, I have volunteered with the WSEC, Westmont Special Events Corporation, at Cruisin' Nights and the Taste of Westmont. I'll tell you, it's amazing, Larry. You volunteer and you get so much back. Right. It's very, very fulfilling, very enjoyable.
And how important is volunteerism in the community?
I cannot stress to you enough how important it is to engage your citizens, children, grandparents, residents. Just to engage people is such a phenomenal advantage to our community. Absolutely. Our volunteers are our backbone. We get thousands of volunteer hours. Many of these events wouldn't happen without our volunteers.
Absolutely. Yeah, our volunteers in Westmont are great, and in fact, that's the reason we won so many hometown awards. Governor's Hometown Awards was in regards to our volunteerism. So, and if people are interested in getting involved as a volunteer, how should they do that?
Wow, there's any number of ways. If you're at the Taste of Westmont and you think you'd have some fun doing that,
right.
Mention it to a WSEC member, to a staff member. Call Village Hall. Call me. Call any elected official.
Sure.
Talk to our police chief, our fire chief. We have the citizens academies as well for police and fire. So there's many opportunities, and just about anybody you talk to in Westmont can give you an avenue so that you too can volunteer.
Absolutely. Another one that we didn't mention was EMA, which without them,
EMA,
very, very valuable.
I don't know what we would do without our EMA volunteers. Right. They are ready at the drop of a hat, whether it's bad weather and maybe a branch has fallen across the street and we need people to direct traffic, or if it's our festivals, they are there to help people cross the street, to kind of direct traffic. They are just an incredible resource and value to our town.
Absolutely. Another organization that you're involved with that you didn't mention yet is the Lions Club.
Oh, yes.
And
yes.
Every year they have their Red, White, and Barbecue, but this year some exciting news. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Oh, this is very exciting. We are on year 7 of the Red, White, and Barbecue, which is a huge barbecue competition held right here in Westmont. You know, competitors come from all over. Kentucky, right. I think we might have had one even from Canada in the past. Each year, the competitors grow. We have more and more. It's phenomenal, and it's a fun family event, entertainment, and good food to eat as well.
Absolutely.
This year's especially important and fun because we have the Pitmasters coming. Now, if you don't know what the Pitmasters are, because quite honestly, I didn't know at first until someone explained it to me.
Sure.
It's a reality show on cable,
right.
And they will be at our barbecue interviewing people and filming the festival. So this is just a great opportunity for Westmont, and this is hosted by your local Lions Club, which, by the way, is the oldest service club here in Westmont.
And all proceeds that come in by the Lions Club, how do those support the community?
Well, we do a couple of different things. We, of course, support hearing impaired, sight impaired, and more recently, diabetes. But in addition to that, we have sports awards for our local schools. We have academic awards that we give, and scholarships. So much of the money we raise comes right back into the community here. Right. We have a number of hardworking volunteers right here in Westmont.
Well, Sue, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.